Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best walleye lures is probably one of the most crucial elements for a successful walleye fishing trip, and selecting the right lures can significantly increase your chances of landing these prized fish. In this video, we will review some of the top-performing walleye lures on the market, considering factors such as their action, color, size, and overall effectiveness in attracting and hooking walleye, helping you make an informed decision for your next fishing adventure. Number 5. GOTOUR Weedless Soft Lures. It features a hidden ultra-sharp hook in the top fin, reducing snags and improving penetration. The soft split dorsal fin conceals the hook and creates a lifelike appearance, helping you catch fish easily in any cover. Its ideal weight allows for long casts and slow sinking. The bionic tadpole shape creates a great kicking action at various speeds. They have a 3D paddle tail, lifelike holographic eyes, and a solid wire. This creates an attractive swimming action, whether you retrieve it slowly or quickly. Made from high-quality soft plastic, they won't tear easily, even when fighting strong fish. It's the perfect balance of durability and lifelike movement. These lures are perfect for various fish species and locations. Whether you're in freshwater or saltwater, you can catch bass, crappie, trout, and many more. What we like. It has a weedless hook design, which reduces snags and makes it perfect for fishing in weedy areas. Its long casting design lets you cover more water. If you like lifelike lures that move enticingly in the water, you should consider this one. What people say. Looks real. I like the way it swims. The hook is covered with the top fin but will hook a fish just fine. So easy to keep your hook out of the weeds. The bait glides right over some of the worst weeded areas. Works well in lakes, streams, and ocean situations. Really good quality, rivals with the top brands, amazing detail, good color selection, very stretchy. Number 4. Cordell Wally Diver. Get ready to experience the legendary Cordell Wally Diver. It's part of a highly popular family of lures, known for its incredible success. This suspending lure reaches impressive depths of 20 feet when trolled. Its unique pause feature teases fish, triggering strikes. With a wide array of colors, it's perfect for various fishing conditions, from the Great Lakes to smaller waters. You'll find the perfect match. It's built with durable Cordell construction and high-quality components. This means it's a top performer that will stand up to repeated use. Time and time again, it proves itself as a top walleye producer. Get yours today and experience the difference. With various sizes and color patterns, you can find the perfect lure for any fishing situation. Choose the one that suits your needs. What we like. This lure has a unique suspending action that pauses at 20 feet, triggering fish to strike. It's built to last, making it a reliable choice for any walleye angler. If you are looking for a lure that can reach deep waters and stay in place, this is the one for you. What people say. Caught fish the first trip on this guy. Great little bait to troll with. These are the best producing lures I have in my walleye arsenal. The black and silver definitely being the top one. Have even had smallmouth, lake trout, and muskie hit them. If you need to go deep, these go deep, immediately. Great lure and a great size. Number 3. OriGlam Fishing Lures. Get ready to experience the thrill of the catch with our innovative fishing lures. These lures are designed to attract a wide variety of fish, making your fishing trips more successful. It features a one-of-a-kind design, creating a lifelike swimming action that entices fish to bite. Its unique design makes it stand out from the rest. They're made from high-quality, eco-friendly materials, ensuring they're built to last. This means you can use them time and time again without worrying about damage. Whether you're fishing in saltwater or freshwater, these lures are perfect for various fishing styles and locations. They are ideal for various fish species. The lifelike 3D eyes and swimming action make it incredibly effective. You'll notice a significant increase in your catch rate. Target a wide range of fish, including bass, trout, walleye, and more. These versatile lures are your secret weapon for a successful fishing trip. What we like. It boasts a unique design that's unlike any other lure on the market. It's made from high-quality, durable materials. If you are looking for a unique, durable, and lifelike lure, this is a great option. What people say. They work well in attracting fish and seem durable enough for multiple trips. The top lure in my one pick is a Wally diver. It's the best producing stick bait I own, and I never hit the water without at least 2 in my spread. The bottom lure is one from this pack of 10. The differences are very slight and nearly negligible. Cheap and still very cool looking. Colors are amazing and hooks are sharp. Number 2. QualyQualy Fishing Lure Rig. It's great for trout and other fish. The colorful blades and beads attract attention, making it easy to use and effective. Its design creates a natural and unique swimming action underwater. The reflection of the metal baits tempts fish to strike. It comes with a sharp, high-carbon steel hook and durable plastic beads. The fishing blades create a vibrant, attention-grabbing display. Simply tie the loop to your line and a leader to the swivel, you're ready to fish. It's a wonderful ready-made rig for any angler. It works for many fish species, in both freshwater and saltwater. It's perfect for any fishing enthusiast. What we like. This walleye rig is easy to set up and features colorful blades that attract fish. The vivid swimming action and premium materials make it a top performer. If you want a convenient and effective rig that's ready to fish right out of the package, this is for you. What people say. Nice color combos, sturdy lures. This is a really nice set of decent quality spinners. I've used them on spinnerbaits and inline spinners. Very effective. Great value and effective lure for trout fishing. Caught 3 trout on this lure with imitation worms pinched while other lures ended up getting skunked. Number 1. Rooster Bait Tail Spinner Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of the catch with our new fishing lure kit. It's designed with premium materials and lifelike movement to attract a wide variety of fish. These lures boast sharp treble hooks, plated bodies, and stainless steel spindles. The brightly colored sleeves ensure that fish won't be able to resist. Watch them swim. The continuous flash and vibration, along with the lifelike rooster tail action, will drive fish wild. It's a truly effective design. Each lure in this kit has been carefully chosen from thousands of options. We only include the best of the best to ensure your success. They're perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Target bass, trout, walleye, and more with these versatile lures. This kit includes 30 specially selected spinner baits and metal spoons, conveniently packaged for easy use. You'll be ready to fish in no time. What we like. It's made with premium materials, including a sharp treble hook and plated body. The lifelike movement entices fish to bite. If you need a lure that's durable, effective, and works in various fishing conditions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Worked great. These are awesome and work. So much variety. Overall they all look nice. Hooks are strong and have enough weight to cast without much issue. They defiantly attract the trout. Have been really impressed so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.